All right. Welcome to all the grade 12 students. Welcome to this special trick series. This is your Vani ma'am. Yes, you've heard it right. It's a special series. Reason all the tricks which are required for your board examination, which will cover your MCQs, assertion reasoning, very short, everything is done in the series. All right, without wasting time, let's start today. So, which one are we going to do? We are going to learn today trick number 4. You heard it right. Trick number 1, 2, and 3 are already uploaded. Please watch the playlist. Welcome back. Today, the trick which we are going to do or learn is very special. Reason with this trick, if you know, you'll be able to solve the first chapter assertion and reasoning questions. Let's start. Let us read the question. Yes. So basically, you have assertion and reasoning questions in your board examination. Almost 5 questions are there. Let's read. So, assertion and reasoning, for example, they've given me 4 options. You all know option 1, where assertion and reason are true, and reason is a correct explanation. Okay. Option B, both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation. Here, it is a reason is a correct explanation. Here, reason is not a correct explanation. In option 3, assertion is true, but reason is false. In option 4, assertion and reason are false. So nothing, students. Assertion is just explaining the fact what actually is. The sky is blue in color. The reason is the sky is blue in color because of Raman scattering. So assertion is a fact, actual fact which is saying the apple is red in color. In that way. So any supporting statement is a reason for that. Let us start if this question is given to you. So assertion, they said, addition of HBr in the presence of peroxide on alkene is free radical addition. Okay, this reaction is not shown by HCl. First of all, they are asking me HBr in the presence of peroxide. Oh, superb. HBr in the presence of peroxide is anti-Mark addition, correct? Okay, they said the peroxide, it's a free radical addition. Yes, yes, it is yes. Why it is yes, I'm going to explain. Yes, it is correct. Next, this reaction is not shown by HCl. This also is yes. So the first case assertion is yes. Why also we are going to justify just now. So option C, which is assertion true? Assertion is true. This option, it is there where assertion is true. Okay, let us see one more. Reason they've given, due to less bond energy of HCl than HBr, homolysis or cleavage of HCl cannot occur. This is not at all the correct reason. Reason is wrong. No. So assertion is true and reason is false. Why? I'm going to explain you this. So for this, the correct option is option C. Option C. So option C, why it is, let us justify this. Now, first of all, whenever you're learning a particular reaction, that is conversion of alkene to alkyl halide. Remember, alkene to alkyl halide, there are two methods which are following. One is Mark addition, one is anti-Mark addition. Correct? Mark addition happens, there is no peroxide formation here. In this case, there is no peroxide requirement here. Here you require a peroxide in the particular reaction. Correct? So whenever you are seeing this question, let it be MCQ or assertion reasoning, there is one order for Mark addition. There is one more order for anti-Mark addition. So you are going to just wait for 2 more minutes. Watch the video till the last and we are going to write the order. Let's see. Yes. So remember, whenever there is an addition of HBr, remember HBr is adding to a particular alkene, that too in the presence of peroxide. So I'm taking alkene, I'm going to add HBr in the presence of what? In the presence of peroxide to give me an alkyl halide. Correct? Na? Alkyl halide. One bromo. Which alkyl halide? It is primary product. Now, as you have observed, whenever an alkyl HBr is adding to a peroxide, it first generates free radical, peroxide free radical. It follows initiation step, it follows propagation step, it follows termination step. That means addition of HBr to alkene is nothing but free radical, as they have mentioned in the first topic in the assertion, free radical addition reactions. Correct? There's no substitute, free radical. So assertion is correct. Perfect. Done. That's the reason I put tick. But now, important thing to remember, HCl will not occur, they said, in the reason, they said HCl. the less bond energy. Nothing, students, remember only one concept. Concept like HF, concept like HBr, not HBr, let me take this as concept like HF, concept like HCl, concept like HI. Problem here is what happens is whenever they are trying to add it to an alkene, and whenever the reaction is there with peroxide, only peroxide, that is in basic, in nothing but anti-mark addition. What happens, the reaction in this case, first thing, if I take HCl, remember the first step, the initiation step, and the propagation step is exothermic. Okay, and slowly gradually the reaction in the step 2, what happens, in step 2 the reaction becomes endothermic reaction. So there is a lot of disturbance which is created, correct na? So system gets disturbed, exothermic, endothermic. So because of this unusual conditions, what do? We will not prefer HF addition, we will not prefer HCl addition, we will not prefer HI addition. In HI addition means there is no exothermic step only. There is no exothermic step. So what do you understand now? We understand simple concept. Let us go back and see and check what it is. We have to write the order. So here the reason is wrong. I said homolysis of HCl cannot occur. No, that's not at all the reason. The reason is here the reaction is exothermic. So, and shall we write the order now? Let's come back. In mark addition, the two in case of alkene, the order. In anti-mark addition, in case of alkene or alkyne, the order. Mark addition, always remember carefully the same concept. Concept is the same. So what should you remember? The concept, the order is in mark addition, HI greater than HBr greater than HCl greater than HF. In this case, what should you remember, students? What will undergo? Only HBr. Remaining HF, HCl, H and HI. These will not undergo reaction with anti-Markovnikov alkyl. Correct. Thank you for watching the video. All right, I'll come back and meet you with trick number. Meet you with trick 5. Bye bye. Take care. Smiling, leaving, signing off. Bye bye. Thank you for sharing and thank you for subscribing and please share the video. Thank you.